if one of the lines given by the equation ax square plus 6xy plus by square equals to 0 bisects the angle between the coordinate axes, then what will be the value of a plus b? Now, we know ax square plus 6xy plus by square equals to 0 is a pair of straight lines, and the meaning of bisects the angle between coordinate axes tells us that the slope will be either plus 1 or minus 1, because bisecting the coordinate axis will be at either 45 degrees or theta value will be 135 degrees. So slope is plus or minus 1. And we know we have pair of straight lines, and we know one of the slope is, we'll take two scenarios. One time we'll consider plus 1, one time we'll consider minus 1. Before that, let us try to understand this pair of straight line, how we can get a relationship here. So we'll write down ax square plus 6xy plus by square. We'll write it as combination of two straight lines, y minus m1x and y minus m2x. Now let's multiply y minus m1x and y minus m2x and compare with ax square plus 6xy plus by square, so that we can establish a relationship between a, b and m1 and m2. So comparing, we can write down x square terms. If we compare, we will have a by m1 m2. Then we will compare xy term. We will have 6 divided by minus of m1 plus m2, that is equal to b divided by 1. Now we know one of the slope is plus or minus 1. That means m1 value can be considered as 1 one time, another time it will be considered as minus 1. So we have two scenarios. So let's try to solve this two scenarios. One time we will take m1 equals to 1. Another time m1 equals to minus 1. In the first scenario, substituting m1 equals to 1, we will have a by m2 equals to minus 6 by 1 plus m2, that is equal to b by 1. Now taking the first and the last, we have m2 equals to a by b. That we will substitute when we will consider the second and third now. So we will write down minus 6 divided by 1 plus a by b. As we know, m2 is a by b equals to b. Let us simplify that. We will have minus 6 into b by a plus b is equal to b by 1. Or we will get a plus b equals to minus 6. Now let us consider the case of m1 equals to minus 1. And when we solve it, we will get a plus b equals to 6. We can do it in the same way. A by minus m2 equals to minus 6 by minus 1 plus m2, because now m1 is minus 1. First we will find out that m2 is minus of a by b. Then we will go back and substitute in the second equation. So we'll write down minus 6 equals to cross multiplying. We can do that way also. Minus 6 equals to b into minus 1 . We can take LCM or we can take cross multiplication. We can do cross multiplication. Whatever we do, we will be getting a plus b equals to 6. So the correct options are A and C, plus 6 and minus 6.